Hey, good afternoon. This is Clay with Clay's AC and Auto Repair and Clay Motion here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. I noticed that there wasn't any complete videos of people removing the turbochargers and the intakes on 3.0 Sprinter diesel engines, Mercedes. I'm not going to show you every nuance for this engine, but hopefully this video is helpful. So if it is, please like my video. Send me your nice comments. Most of all, subscribe and share. If you want to reach out to me on Facebook under Clay's AC and Auto Repair, I may be able to answer your question. I certainly try. Anyways, like I said, I'm not going to show you every nuance of this. We're basically going to talk about bolts that are hard to get to or whatever else. If you've seen me remove it at the end of the video, then it probably needs to be removed. Sometimes I remove extra and I'll try to tell you, hey, I don't think I needed to remove that. So here we go. One of the bolts that are hidden for the intake, I noticed are back here, right where I got my finger at. So you're going to need an extension right there. All the rest of them are pretty self-explanatory. And I will tell you, Mercedes does like to use different length bolts, but they use a lot of the same bolts. So try to keep them inside, wherever you took them out of, like this one. I'm going to keep that there so I know where the bolts go. My EGR crossover pipe has three 10 millimeter nuts on it, one here, and then one directly straight down. I used a 3-inch extension on a 10 millimeter. Okay, so you want to take out the 4 bolts that hold down your turbo mount, I guess you want to call it that, and pay close attention to where your oiler hole is. That's how your turbo gets oiling when you put your gasket back on. And then that allows you the ability to get the swirl motor out, which is this thing, and you're going to pop the little balls out of there. Now you're going to want to do that with a pair of pliers. You're able to reach your hands underneath there. We actually took this out before we took the pedestal off because I didn't realize there was 4 bolts and I thought there was only 3. So we were able to do it. We didn't break anything, so that's good. And now you can probably get down to what your problem is. Your rails are probably moving way too much, and they're probably all gummed up. At least my one side's gummed up. It don't move at all, but it might be wedged in there. I'm not certain yet. But now we can get to our bottom bolts. So when you go ahead and you're taking that out, we pried it a little bit here. It's going to get caught back there on a bung.
Right there on this bung right here.
And Jeff just pried this up, so now Jeff's going to try to pull it out. We'll see if we can get it out.
Just fall back in there. Yes. And it's out.
Is it out?
It's loose. I don't know. We got to get it past all these wires.
So we tried to leave as much stuff connected as possible so we don't have to, because there's so many little bits, so we're going to try to yank it out of there. Oh, look. Oh. I hear intake gaskets.
Oh, it's loose. It's just getting it past these wires and this exhaust.
I'll show you here in a second once we got it out what's all. So we separated the 2 halves, and our problem is carbon. These rails won't move at all. You can kind of see how the actuator knows where it's at. And then there goes the other one. So
yeah.
So that's what we got going on with ours. We might have some broken, I was hoping to actually show you us making them arms.
These things are
But
tight.
if they're solid, then all we got to do is clean up the carbon, put the bad lad back together, and go to town.
Look at how little I'm barely moving it, and it's moving. So they're
we're good. We're just carboned. Cool.
Just seized up.
Cool beans. So hopefully the video was helpful. Please remember, if anybody else can do it, you can do it too. Don't be the next to them. Be the first to you. If you want to reach out to me, hit me up on Facebook under Clay's AC and Auto Repair. And like my videos. Send me your nice comments. Most of all, share and subscribe to my page. I greatly appreciate it. I don't make the world's best videos, but I make videos and show you how to do this stuff. Have a great day. God bless.